ICT is another component that we must put up. Your Excellency, we know you're going to support us on that. Young people were telling you about how to do it. ICT has changed the way how we do things. The doctor of 1980 cannot be a doctor anymore if he's not interested in ICT.
Don't get carried away and think that ICT is a standalone sector. It is a sector to help other sectors. That's what you need to know. It is a sector to help agriculture. It is a sector to help industry. Help industry do things faster.